Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about chili spice mix and other spice mixes. All right, I picked chili spice mix as a title because that's probably a common one everyone can relate to. But it doesn't matter what the spice mix is that you're using or want to have, get it set up and get it stored. Now it can be chili spice mix, taco seasoning mix, beef spice gravy mix, whatever stuff. It can be Cajun spice mix, whatever it is you use and like to put into your food. And it can be different things. I mean, it could be stuff for dry rubs for putting on your meats and stuff, whether it's dry rub for chickens, beef, pork, whatever type of spices you mix together to use. What this is all about is getting that stuff done, put together now, and in storage. And I'm to you about the Ziploc bags, come in all different sizes, small ones and stuff. You can use those for your spice mixes. So you mix up a big container of your spice mix, but you're not going to use that big container at once. So what you do is you put it in the Ziploc bags we talked about yesterday. Drop in an oxygen absorber, seal it up, squeeze all the air out, seal it tight. You get a bunch of those together, then you put those in another bag, like a Mylar bag or a seal meal bag, food saver bag, where you can suck all the air out from around it, and then it stores for a long time. So then you have your spice mixes ready to go whenever you need it. And they will last a lot longer when you store them that way. Then you find one of those big old bottles of spices you get from Sam's Club or Costco or Walmart or whatever. And this way your spices don't lose their flavoring over time. So get your spices together. Get your spice mixes made up. Seal them in serving size pouches. And with oxygen absorbers, moisture absorbers, whatever you need, and you save those pouches in a bigger bag so you have it for long-term storage. All right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, spices. Why? This is why.